Hello, hello, my YouTube fam, my co-workers. I am the nursing assistant. And today, guys, I will be going over step by step how to renew your CNA license. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Is your CNA license about to expire? Are you feeling the pressure of the deadline, trying to gather all your CEUs and paperwork together? Take a deep breath because today I'm giving you an ultimate stress-free guide on how to renew your CNA license so you can keep working without the headache. Make sure you have worked enough work hours to qualify for your renewal. Most states only require 8 hours. In most states, you have to do a renewal in 2 years. Every 2 years, a renewal is required. Before your 2 years is up and your license is expired, try to check your CNA license 60 to 90 days before the expiration date. This will help you save time. You won't be stressed because you got plenty of time and you're prepared to get everything in order for your renewal. You will have to verify that you have worked for pay and perform nursing assistant duty under the supervision of a licensed nurse for at least 8 hours in the last 24 months. And this is usually verified by your employer signature, a pay stub, or your W-2s. Requirements vary little by state. So you need to make sure you log into your state nursing assistant aid registry and submit your application and see exactly how much it costs and see exactly what your state require for you to turn in for renewal. And on the site, you can also check for if it's any fees, local background, all of that will be on your state nursing assistant registry. Depending on your specific state registry, regulation, proof of completing the requirement amount of education or in-service training. Usually it's between 12 to 24 hours in a 2-year time period. Okay, guys, I want y'all to check this out. I have screen recorded so y'all can know step by step how to go to your state registry and look up your CNA license. Okay, in my case, I went to Alabama Nurses Aid Registry. In your case, you will actually put in your state. If you live in Virginia, you will put Virginia Nurses Aid Register. So whatever state you're in, that's what you will put in. Then you will go down all the way here and you see this little icon, state AL, Alabama, US / Nursing Aid Register. In your case, it'll have your state. You would then hit this link. Once you hit this link, you will put in your social. I'm putting in my social, but I will be editing it out. And then I'll hit search. Okay, let's try it again. Some reason it didn't work. Okay. Oh, here it is. It did work. Go down here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. As you see, that's my name. And here is a date added to register. So I've been on the register ever since 1989. That's how long I've been a nursing assistant. Date of test, not available. Original certification date, 8/7/18/1989. Y'all see I've been a nursing assistant for forever, so I have lots of experience. Okay, expiration status. It said initially the expiration date is 24 months from the date of the individual successfully passed the competency test, evaluation test. The expiration date extends 24 months beyond the last date worked at a nursing home, hospital, home health, hospice agency, and 4 on 4 on. So again, your nursing assistant certification must be certified every what? Every 2 years. And the qualification to research, you only have to work a 8 hour shift, a 8 hour, just 8 hour period. It could be 2 hours here, 1 hour there. It doesn't matter how you get it, but you only are required to work 8 hours in a 2 year span under a licensed LPN or nurse. So, guys, now y'all see how to check your certification, and you will have all your information on this page. You will have how much you have to pay for renewal and all of that. But fortunately for Alabama, we do not have to do the renewal process. On our website, we do not have a renewal form because as a nursing assistant, I personally do not have to renew my own license. The facility where you work at will send in all qualification. They will send in your work history. They will send in your CEU, which meaning your educational, your in service, any kind of educational uh um training that you had to do and did at that facility. Our facility send that in to our state register, and that is how we keep up our certification. So in Alabama, we do not personally have to fill out any form, but you guys need to check with y'all state and to see what you guys need to do. All information again will be on your nursing assistant registry. I will put up a instruction step by step on the screen to show you guys step by step what you need to do again to check your certification. Now let's talk about how you would go about sending sending this information in. You can either send it in online or on paper by mail. If you choose to do it online, the process is much faster. It is processed instantly or within a couple of days. You will immediately get an email confirming that they have gotten your application, and this will be a digital receipt that they have received your submitted application. You can upload your education history, your CEUs, your in-service training, and verification of your employment directly from your phone or your computer. Your payment, no problem. Secure instant payment from a debit card or a credit card. Always choose online submission if that option is available. It minimizes the risk of lost paperwork and prevent lapses in your license while you're waiting for processing. Now, let's go through the mail-in submission. It takes weeks to arrive and be processed. Documents can get lost in the mail, which causes lapses in your license. Payment requires money order or cashier checks. No personal checks allowed. Mail-in order are best for people who want paper records or have technical issues online. Make sure to submit your renewal application before your license expire so you won't be charged with any late fees or your CNA license lapses. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss not one of my videos. Not one. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get it started.